not getting paid to say this, but I needed a metal shed and they were the best. What brought me to a metal building is I needed a machine shed. And when I got ready to build it, I found Allen's Factory Outlet online, and their website's incredible. So I ended up with them and ended up building a 40 by 80, which is twice what I needed. So on this side is rented out, and you can see my neighbors here have their equipment stored inside, and they have 40 by 40 and I have 40 by 40. Their construction was exemplary. It meets all the hurricane or wind. This building is good for 135-mile-an-hour wind. I call it an H pattern, but I mean, that's, you know, bull stout. It's not going anywhere. And then they anchored this on a floor that there's no concrete under here. I saved $20,000 by not doing that. And they put anchors down into the soil every 4 feet or so. You'll never have this blow away. It's pretty neat. 3D builder is unmatched. I don't have any other experiences that came close, although I did look at other companies and websites. I compared them to 2 other outlets that were a little closer to me, and they just were far and away better at the website, how easy it was to manipulate, no goofing off. They gave you prices immediately, gave you options, easy to work website, and the pricing was extremely good. They have good construction crews, they're well organized, communicate well. If I were trying to describe Allen's Factory Outlet in one word, it would be perfect.